हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं पिंकी। आज मैं लेके आई हूँ TY BCom ऑडिटिंग एंड टैक्सेशन 2 सेमेस्टर 6 MCQ ऑल चैप्टर। तो चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। The basis of a charge of an income under the Income Tax Act depends on the dash of a person and not a citizen of an individual. Option is source of income, amount of income, residential status, PAN. Answer is residential status. Amount received as a fixed capital or by sale or of a fixed asset is dash. Option is capital receipt, revenue receipt, capital payment, revenue expenditure. Answer is capital receipt. Dash is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric number to identify an assessee. Option is TAN, Aadhaar, TIN, PAN. Answer is PAN. Dash is a charge to direct the revenue towards a specific cause. The option is income tax, GST, cess, marginal tax. Answer is cess. Income from agriculture is exempt. However, if the net agriculture income exceeds dash, it is taken into account for a slab purpose. Option is rupees 500, rupees 5,000, rupees 50,000, rupees 5 lakh. Answer is rupees 5,000. In income of a person earned in the previous year is a charge to the tax in the immediately following year called the dash. Option is previous year, assessment year, previous year, assessment year both. None of this. Answer is assessment year. Lottery income is to be taxed at the rate dash and long-term capital gain is taxed at the rate dash. Option is 30%, 20%, 20%, 30%, 30%, 40%, 40%, 30%. Answer is 30%, 20%. The income under all the head are added together and called dash. Option is net total income, gross total income, gross net total income, net gross total income. Answer is gross total income. Tax can be dash or dash in nature. Option is progressive or individual, regressive or developing, progressive or regressive. None of this. Answer is progressive or regressive in nature. Income Tax Act come into force from dash. Option is 1st April 1961, 1st April 1962, 1st April 1960 and 1st April 1963. Answer is 1st April 1962. Income Tax Act dash is an act meant to levy and collect income tax in India. Option is 1962, 1961, 1960, 1963. Answer is Income Tax Act 1961. A has a 3 self-occupied house property out of which dash shall be treated as a deemed to be let out property. Option is 3, 2, 1. None of this. Answer is 2. The value of a property which could not be occupied because of service or profession in some other place is treated as dash if no other benefit is derived from the property. Option is rupees 10,000 AV of the property, nil. None of this. Answer is nil. An employee holding at least dash of voting right is a specified employee. Option is 10%, 20%, 50%, 25%. Answer is 20%. Capital dash incurred on sale of capital assets is not allowed as deduction. Option is revenue, income, losses, expenses. Answer is losses. Dash percentage of NAV is allowed as a standard deduction in cost of a laid out property. Option is 25%, 20%, 50%, 30%. Answer is 30%. Dash percent deduction is allowed on arrears of rent received. Option is 10%, 20%, 5%, 30%. Answer is 30%. Cash as assistance bracket by whatever name call bracket complete receive or receivable by any person against exports under any scheme of a government of India is a treat as dash. Option is salary income, business income, professional income, income from other source. Answer is business income. ATC deduction for a life insurance premium is limited to dash of the premium amount. Option is 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%. Answer is 20%. Interest received on SBI account is allowed as deduction under dash. Option is ATCCC, ATTTA, ATD, ATE. Answer is ATTTA. Residents individual can avail rebate under Section 87A if the taxable income does not exceed dash. Option is rupees 2 lakh, rupees 2,50,000, rupees 3 lakh, rupees 5 lakh. Answer is rupees 5 lakh. The deduction under Section 80DD is available for a dependent up to a maximum of dash. Option is rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000, rupees 75,000, rupees 1,05,000. Answer is rupees 75,000. ITR1 form is also known as dash. Option is SUGAM, SAHAJ, LTP, SPC. Answer is SAHAJ. ITR2 is applicable to dash. Option is individual and HUF, partnership, trust, company. Answer is individual and HUF. SFT stand for dash. Option is special financial tract, small financial transaction, specified financial transaction, select farm tree. Answer is specified financial transaction. Advance tax of not less than 15% is payable. Dash option is on or before 15 March, on or before 15 June, on for before 15 September, on for before 15 December. Answer is on or before 15 June. The person deducting tax at source should submit dash of TDS in form number 24Q, 27Q, 26Q, 27EQ as applicable. Option is monthly statements, quarterly statements, half yearly statement, yearly statements. Answer is quarterly statement. Thank you for watching video.